Hello, teacher.
Okay, potato, I have here a picture and I want you to answer the picture. Potato, what can you see in the picture? Can you tell teacher what can you see in the picture? I can see. What can you see? What else? Say the word properly. What else? Potato, what else can you see? Can you see people in the picture? Can you see people in the picture? Yes or no? Yes. How many people can you see? Potato, how many people can you see in the picture? I can see how many people? Okay. I see 7. Now here, who is sleeping in the picture?
What?
Who is sleeping?
I don't know.
Is it a girl or a boy?
A boy.
It's a boy, so the boy is sleeping in the picture. And here, how about who is reading a book? Potato, who is
What?
reading a book? Who's reading a book? Who's reading?
Let's go.
It's a girl. Where is she reading?
I don't know.
Where? She's reading again.
No.
Where is she reading?
She reading in
Under the...
under the tree.
Very good. She's reading under the tree. Now here, Potato, I want you to look at the picture and let's read the given sentences. You're going to write yes if it's in the picture. You're going to write no if it's not. For example, look at the example, Potato. One of the boys is sleeping. Is it yes or no? Potato, one of the boys is sleeping. Yes or no? What's the answer?
I don't
It's,
know.
look at the picture. It's yes or no?
No.
No, no one is sleeping. It says here one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's why the answer is yes. Next here. The girl in the tree has a black hair. Yes or no?
No.
No. Why no? Why the answer is no? Because
It's brown.
it's brown. Very good. Now here, Potato, let's try to check these 5 sentences. Now let's do first number 1. What is sentence number 1? Can you please read? You can see. Come on, please read.
You can see some apple.
Okay, you can see 6 apples. Yes or no? What's the answer? Yes or no? You tell me the answer. Potato, you can see 6 apples. Yes or no?
What?
Look at the picture. The sentence says you can see 6 apples. Is it yes or no?
No.
No. Let's check. Look at the answer. Very good. Why the answer is no? No, because
Because it's no apple.
there's no apple?
The apple.
Because there are 4, correct. Next, number 2. Read sentence number 2. The dog. Number 2, Potato, the dog.
The dog
is,
the dog is brown and white.
okay, the dog is brown and white. What's the answer? Yes or no? What's
Yeah.
the answer? Let's check. Very good. Okay, next. Number 3. What's number 3?
The children are in the house.
Okay, the children are in the house. What's the answer? Yes or no?
No.
Let's check. Very good. Why the answer is no? Because?
Because no children.
Huh? Because? Why the answer is no?
Because no children in the house.
Okay, where are the children?
Children is
The children are?
play.
Okay, playing. Where are they playing?
What?
Okay, you said they are not in the house. Where are they?
Like in your back
Again, they are in the, where are they? Where are they, Potato?
backyard.
Okay, they are in the backyard. Correct. Next, number 4. What's number 4? Please read. The
The ball is purple.
Okay, the boy's ball is purple. What's the answer? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Correct. Next, number 5. What's number 5? What's
The
number
frog
5?
is on the book.
The frog is on a book. What's the answer? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, are you sure?
No.
No. Where is the frog, Potato? Where's the frog?
What?
Where is the frog?
Brown? I don't know.
Look at the frog. Look at the picture. I want you to look at the picture and tell me where the frog is. The frog is?
The frog is under the grass.
Okay, on the grass. What's the color of the frog?
What?
Potato. What's the color of the frog?
It's green.
Very good. It's color green. Now here. Okay. Now here. Okay, Potato, look at the picture. How many names can you see in the picture? How many names can you see there?
I see purple.
How many names? Names. Count.
7.
Okay, I see 7 names. What are the names of the given picture? What's the name? What are the names?
What?
What are the names? Can you please read to teacher? What are the names?
In Pat, Ben, Kim, Hongo, Eva, Mark, Sam.
Okay, very good. And here, what are the children holding in their hands? Let's go first to this girl. What is she holding?
He holding the car.
This, she, that's a he, she. She is
She
holding.
holding the car.
Very good. And how about this boy? What is this boy holding?
The boy is holding the boy is holding the ball.
Okay. And how about this boy? What is he holding?
She holding Car.
Okay, a car. And this girl, what is this girl holding?
And then she holding she holding a book.
Very good. And how about this another girl?
She is painting.
Painting. And how about this last girl?
She is I don't know.
Oh, look at what is she touching. What fruit is that?
She is
Holding.
holding a orange.
Okay, it's an orange, it's an apple. Okay, so very good, Potato, because you were able to answer all the questions asked by teacher. Okay, so again, our lesson was all about asking questions. That's why teacher asked you so many questions, and great job, Potato, because you were able to answer all the questions I asked. Great work. Very good, Potato. You did a great job in today's class. Okay? So again, Potato, that would be all for today. I will see you again next time. Goodbye, Potato.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye. And you eat now your dinner. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.